This is a brand called Tacks, and it's kits for crafty kids. This is the Gem Paint by Numbers kit, and you can create 4 keychains, so you're basically bedazzling things. But yeah, it comes with everything that you need, and the keychains are really nice quality too. You can tell they're not super thin or flimsy, so they're pretty thick, and they have all the numbers listed on there, so you could follow their patterns, or I'm sure you could just improvise and do it yourself. And you have all your bedazzling stuff, your different rhinestones and stars and colors. And then this is a scooper. This is what you pick the little bedazzlers up with. And then I believe this is a wax that you use to for the adhesive. So very, very cute, fun activity for kids, for adults, if you like to do crafts, and would also make a great gift. So yeah, and step-by-step instructions, super cute. Tacks kits for crafty kids.